In today's free Adobe Premiere Pro video editing tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add motion onto your videos in less than 2 minutes. So once you have your video loaded onto your timeline, you want to go into Effect Controls, you want to click Position and Scale, and you want to move a couple frames, move to the right, couple frames, move to the left, couple frames, move up, couple frames, move down. And if you really want, you can also scale this a little bit higher. Go to the beginning of the video and go 105. And then at the end, maybe go 108. Under here, under your keyframe timeline, under motion, click the plus icon and zoom. And then we'll do Control A and then Control C to copy, go a little bit, and then paste. So now we have something like this. There's a much easier way to do this. So I'm going to remove the attributes, remove the keyframes, you go under effects, and you type in Deadpool, and then you drag on this effect, which is handheld camera, more movement, or the smoothest. Go under to effects control, and you want to make this 115, and this is what this looks like. So I don't know if you can notice, but there's basically is motion versus the original clip, there's no motion. Now if you want, you can remove the attributes and you can even apply something that's a little bit more shaky, lots of movement, handheld camera, and this is what this looks like. So that is how you add movement into your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro for free. Again, there are other presets. I'll have my presets in the link down in the descriptions. You can download or you can purchase my pack. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel for more free video editing and photo editing tutorials. And I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.